Hello guys, welcome back to RoyalT Empire Education. And for those who don't know me, my name is Tyrone. We are in a series of teaching you what is the financials of the company. In our last video, we talked about what is the balance sheet statement and how it is beneficial for you to know the statement. If you have not seen that video, you can go check it out in our YouTube channel. There are two other important things that you have to look at in the financials of the company. It is the income statement and the cash flow statement. So today I'm going to talk about the income statement and how it's beneficial for you to know this statement. What is the income statement? The income statement has the net income, revenue, and expenses. Net income is the amount an individual or business makes after deducting costs, allowance, and taxes. The revenue is how much they are gaining, and the expenses is how much they are spending. The income statement is divided into operating and a non-operating section. The operating section has the sales and the cost of goods sold, which would equal to gross margin. Then we would deduct it because of the SG&A, also known as selling, general, and administration expenses. That can be divided into two things. We have the advertising and commission expenses. Then we would add the depreciation and amortization, which is the expenses that is decreasing in a period of time. The total would be your operating income. The non-operating income is the things that is not included in the main theme of the business. We would add the unused space rental income, which is the income that is acquired when you are not using a building and renting it to another company, plus the interest expenses and lawsuits expenses, which cannot be predicted. The total would be the non-operating section. Under this section, we would see the earnings before taxes and after taxes. Beneath that, you can finally see the earnings per share. The EPS, also known as earnings per share, is the total net income divided by the total numbers of shares that the company has. Whenever I was studying the financials of a company, the income statement widened my view. It seems like they're losing money, but this income statement can tell me that it was only a certain period of time. It expanded my knowledge and helped me become more patient whenever I pick the company that I want to invest in. Now that we know what is the income statement of a company, I will talk about how is it beneficial for you to know this statement. How is it beneficial for you to know this statement? Knowing how to read the income statement can give you different benefits. The net income can tell you how the company is performing, so you can see whether it's growing or not. This not only gives you an advantage, but you can become a better trader in the stock market. Another benefit of knowing this statement is that you can compare different companies using their EPS in order to see which company is doing better in a specific sector. So this means you can compare different earnings per share and see which one would be the best company that you want to invest in. Finally, another benefit is that you can see where the company is spending their money. This means that whenever you see where the company is spending their money, you can decide for yourself whether the company is making the right choice based on the economy that you are studying. When I started to use the income statement of a company, I began to see whether the company was growing or not. Companies that are not growing can be a bad sign, but if there's a big shift that will go up, it would be a great opportunity to make money in a short term. I use the income statement to see where the company is putting their money in. Whenever I know where the money is going, I can see if they're making the right move or not based on my studies. There are times where I do not know how the economy is going to affect the company's share price. So what I would do is just sit and watch and learn about what is going to happen. In conclusion, we talked about what is the income statement and how it is beneficial for you to know this statement. We have covered two statements so far and one more to go. If you want to see that last statement, hit that notification button and stay tuned. Subscribe and like to learn more about stocks and investing. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will gladly answer them for you.